Hello. I plan to explain how to use the Mini App TV and Webhook TIFF Lab in 5 videos. In the first part, we will see how to access the Mini App and its overall environment. In the second, third, and fourth parts, we will review how to create webhooks for private, group, and channel modes. And in the last part, we will examine how to add a URL to the alert settings for trending viewers. You can access this mini app by searching for the username @TF Webhook _bot in the Telegram search console. After opening it, you will see this interface. By starting the bot, the Open App button will be displayed, and by opening the mini app itself. At the top we have the Manage Webhook and Create Webhook buttons, and next you can learn about its features and settings.